It's rolling.
Alright, now let's pop. Pop like this, pop. Don't do that. Ooh.
That's surprising because of the videos we take.
I know, right? Do it look like a bean?
A bean?
Yeah, like a bean.
Pull your pants up higher.
No, because I don't get my camel toe.
You can't see it in the camera. Do it. It doesn't. No, you look like a dork.
No, I look like a bean.
What is a bean?
You know, a bean.
I didn't know beans did that. Okay, will you tell me where this bean idea? You just scratched your J in this video.
It's riding up. How would you like to be wearing? Oh my god.
You still have to go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
I thought you just went.
I have to go again. Alright. So look at the mind. I mean, mine.
A mime?
A mine.
No, you just look like... Oh my god. Alright, go back. Turn around. Right there. It looks like the shorts are superimposed on this video, so it looks like you're dancing in front of them, and it looks like some fat person is really wearing them, like, because your arms in... Oh, jeez. That's really hard to explain. You have to see this video, though, because it looks like they...
One. Do my ab workouts.
Yeah, show them your abs.
No.
Look at these abs.
No, I'm embarrassed.
Why? Abbies. If you're wondering what I'm saying abs, it's because Katie is ripped. Look at her guns. Flex.
No.
Look at she's like a gymnast.
No, stop it. No, I don't really have any muscle, guys.
Yes, you do.
It's just...
What are you talking about? No, it's not. Make a muscle.
No, it's embarrassing.
We're so weird.
No, I'd rather look like a genie in a bottle. I need to like have a pretend bottle so I can go, I'm a genie in a bottle.
Go back in your shorts.
Good idea.
Look like a hot mess.
What?
Your hair is a hot mess.
I'm a genie in a bottle. What has it got?
Gotta rub me the right way.
Gotta rub me the right way. If you want a piece of me.
I thought it was if you want to be with me.
Oh, I thought it was peace.
Baby, there's a price to pay.
Be with me. There's a something. I need to know the rest of the words. I'm a genie in a bottle. I'm gonna rub me the right way. I'm just gonna make up my own words, okay?
Okay.
My name is Katie, I'm on a bottle. I'm not Genie, but I am Katie. I like to drink bottles of Snapple iced tea. And I like to wear pots on my head. Cause I'm a Katie in a bottle.
You're a Katie in a pot.
I'm a Katie
in a bottle.
Cause I'm a Katie.
Yeah, you need to go the next size up.
Cause I'm a Katie in a bottle. Why am I singing? Why are you letting me sing? I'm in a pot. Why? Why?
Ladies and gentlemen, you may think it's probably like 4 in the morning right now, but it's only 8:08 at night.
I repeat.
8:08.
Everybody?
This is the nastiest burger in the United States.
This is my diet.
Stop. Yeah. Caitlin is currently on the eat fast food all day and sit on the computer diet. And she has ripped abs. And oh yeah, and Hershey pie.
Ooh. I was picturing in my head an info commercial that I was seeing at the end. Ooh. Like you're hypnotizing them.
We're drunk. We're doing that. Ooh. Your hair is falling out. Let me see that. Turn around. It looks like a rat's nest. Look at this. Look at this mess. Stop. It looks like something lives in that.
Oh, why? Because of my bobby pin?
Yeah.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah. It fell.
Oh my gosh.
You know this video is just of your face. So here's the
oh my god. If I knew how to edit videos, I would edit a bathroom behind me so it looks like I'm pooping. I feel this without doing the camera.
Oh my god. We're on like real life.
Real life in Katie's kitchen. The day in the life of Katie. I wake up in the morning, yawn.
We should like do a Cribs episode.
No, no, no!